Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert checkbox in Google Sheet. Now it's a very easy process. So as you can see, I already have a Google Sheet right over here. Firstly, simply highlight the row where you want to add the checkbox. Then go to insert and choose checkbox. Now after you have your checkbox, select the adjacent of the checkbox over here. Then right over here, just simply type equal if open parenthesis. Now just simply select the first cell containing the checkbox. After that, just simply write equal, then true. After that, a comma, double quotes, then done. Then again double quotes. After that, again a comma, then start with again double quotes, then type pending, then double quotes and close parentheses. Now just simply hit enter. And now just simply copy the formula in all the other cells, just like this. Now, when anyone will use the check and fill any of the boxes, it will be automatically updated right over here, as you can see. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.